We sure have waited for this one. The facelift on the Volkswagen Taigun is finally here. This is a new color. They call it Avocado Pearl. There's also a new color called Steel Silver. A lot of the other colors, Lava Blue and the Red, they're all still around, of course. The big change is in the face, and here you see that a lot of what's happening with VW SUVs globally has finally made an appearance on the Taigun, though it's not the shape that's become more like those SUVs, it's just the few styling elements. Most importantly, the illuminated VW logo and of course the LED strip going all the way into the logo. That's, well, VW-like, also Kia-like. But otherwise, you can see that it's not a drastic sort of a change in terms of how the car looks. It's immediately recognizable. I have to say though, the initial sort of metal grille that you used to have pre-facelift made the car look a little bit bigger. This looks a little compact overall. The color is nice though. You do have a new wheel pattern, and on the 1.5 you get the red brake calipers back here as well. Now, the whole idea of a facelift is that, you know, you make improvements, and so there are a few things that have been tweaked. Styling wise, at the back again, you can see that there is the VW logo that is now inlit, just like the Tayron and the other cars. But of course, the connected taillights were always there. There's a slight styling change inside here in the cluster, but would have been nice if there had been a very drastic design change at the back too. Something to make the car look really fresh and really stand out. Let's go inside. So the glass roof is now panoramic. The seats are changed up front. They're a little bit more comfortable, and they are both electrically adjustable. One of the big changes, well, so is that roof. And then a few styling changes. You can see the dash looks a little bit different. The screens, the size is the same, the virtual cluster as well as this one, but graphics are completely new. The system has been updated. And now there's a Google-powered voice assistant in there as well. That overall area and layout for the AC is also pretty much the same. Now you're wondering about the pricing. Well, don't expect it to be a vastly different price scale than before, but the company has not declared that today. So I think we got to wait about a week or so, maybe 10 days. But we will get the pricing fairly soon, should be later this month, says VW India.